Hey there, and welcome to another spare part showcase from Cluster Repairs UK. Today, we're focusing on a common issue affecting the Skoda Yeti MIB Bolero and MIB STD2 Amundsen sat-nav units. This spare part is known to fix several common display and touchscreen faults, like an unresponsive or slow touchscreen, black spots or marks across the screen, discoloration, scratches or cracks, delamination or bubbling of the display screen, or missing sections of the display. These sat-nav units come with a single SD or double SD card slot, also with or without a built-in CD player. This is the exact same part we use in our own professional repairs, which are backed with a lifetime warranty. Here's an example of a faulty display. Cluster Repairs UK only supplies genuine, authorised factory-sourced parts. Each one comes from trusted European distributors, includes a 12-month warranty, and passes strict quality control. We never sell B-grade stock, factory rejects, or parts sourced on the open market. And now, after repair using a brand new original display and touchscreen, you can see the result, fully responsive and looking as good as new. This spare part is available for professional repairers and DIYers. With your purchase, you'll get 14 days of free access to our detailed, step-by-step tutorial video, filmed to trade standards to guide you through the repair and to a professional outcome with ease. Plus, you'll have access to our dedicated parts support chat if needed. We've been supporting the motor trade since the 1980s, with 2 UK-based locations and award-winning customer support. If you need any help, just click the Ask Seller a Question button or send us an email. We're happy to assist. We appreciate you joining us. Until next time.